It was pretty incredible. I was just going through my email, deleting all the spam and junk mail that we all seem to get, and I found this great opportunity to make money right over here. It's from a website called. Okay, so let me share with you what I found. And if you've ever heard of the company called Etsy, leave a comment below with the word yes. And if you haven't heard of the company called Etsy, leave me a comment below with the word no. Now, let me show you what I got. So I got this email. You can see it right here. And it simply has in the subject line, "She cried when she got it." And you can see it's from Etsy. And so when you look at the email, it's an advertisement, right? So it is some of that junk mail or the spam that I was telling you about that I would normally I wouldn't even think twice about it, and I just delete it. But what caught my eye is, as I looked at this, I saw the picture of this beautiful locket right here. So it's got, you see it's gold colored. It seems to have 4 sections to it, and they all have hearts. It's in the shape of a heart, and each section of that heart then has like a little personalized photo. So I thought, hey, that's pretty cool. I've never seen anything like this. So, that's one of the things that we always want to look for when we're doing e-commerce, and more specifically online arbitrage. We want to find products that are unique or special in some way, because we don't want to find products that you can just go to the local store and get, right? So if I've got a product that I can just go to Walmart or Target and find it, why would I ever buy it online? I would just, on my next visit to one of these stores, I would just go get it there. But I saw this, so it's a unique item, right? I've never seen this before. And like I said, it's this heart locket with the 4 sections. Each section holds a picture. And then I thought to myself, wow, that's pretty cool. So I decided to click on the button that says Shop Now. So then it brought me over to the Etsy website, okay? And I can see it's actually featured on the home page here. So let's take a look and get more information. So as I drill down and select the product, we can see it right here. It's this folding vintage locket, photo album pendant, also called a clover necklace. It's a gift for a family, great for mothers. It's got 5 stars, so this is obviously a quality product. It has over 7,000 reviews. So those are just reviews, which means it's probably sold in the tens of thousands of actually these have sold, and it's $47.89, right? So let's just say 10,000 of these have sold. How much is that at $47 a piece? That's right. That's $470,000 if 10,000 of these have sold. But obviously more, right? So just because of the number of reviews, I'm going to say it's probably closer to the 50 to 60,000 people have purchased these. So that's a lot of money. $500,000 for every 10,000 that get sold. And it's $47.89. But guess what? I'm going to show you can get this for less than $5, and then you can resell it yourself. Take a look over here. Okay, so now I'm on a website called AliExpress. And if you're not familiar with it, this is a company kind of like an Amazon. They have a lot of products available in different industries, not only jewelry, fashion, clothing, technology, home and garden, kitchen, housewares. So it's just a conglomeration of a lot of different things from different sellers. So in that respect, it's somewhat similar to Amazon. But guess what I found? Right? So if you look right here, this is that heart-shaped pendant, right? That heart-shaped pendant locket. And look, it's $2.64. So I'm going to click on it right here. And we see it's $2.64. And for shipping, it's got free shipping. So for $2.64, you can get one of these and then turn around and resell it on eBay for $47. So what kind of profit is that? Well, let me show you let's go back and look. So on Etsy, it's $47.89. And then over here on AliExpress, it's $2.64, and they'll ship it to you for free. So let's do the math. Let me bring up a calculator. So it's $47.89 on Etsy, and then it's $2.64 on AliExpress with free shipping. So they'll send it to you for free. So I'm going to go take the $47.89 and then subtract the $2.64. That leaves you a profit of $45.25. Guess what? Can you do that for $45? And that's if you just sold one. What if you sold 10 of them? That'd be $450 of profit. What if you sold 100 of them? That's $4,500 in profit. So then you're thinking, well, I'd never be able to sell 100 of them. Well, remember, let's go back and take a look at the Etsy website. So here it shows that this is a 5-star product. Everybody loves it. There's over 7,000 reviews. So these are people that have actually reviewed it. The number of people who have actually purchased it is more like this. It's probably 10 times as much, right? So I think it'd be very possible to sell 100 of these yourself. What about something else, right? So this got me thinking, hey, there might be other opportunities just like this on Etsy. So I started looking around, and here's what I found. Is a family tree locket that I found. It's for $41, and we could see that it's got multiple places to hold photos, and it folds up into a nice little compartment right here. Let me take you through and show you some of these pictures. So that's very nice, right? And it sells for $41. Now, I wonder, can I find this over on AliExpress for less? Let's take a look. So now over here on AliExpress, I found this pendant. And you can see it here. It's got the same seashell type or fan type insignia or engraving on it. And we can see that it opens up and holds multiple photos. And it comes in both gold and silver tones. Okay. So this looks very similar. In fact, let's get a click here. You can see this seashell or fan-shaped pattern on it. Now let's go back to Etsy and make sure that we're talking about the same thing. So I've got both websites open side by side, so it's a little bit easier to compare. So over here on Etsy, we see that folding pendant, $41.05, and it's got the fan or the seashell type engraving or insignia on here. And then when we come over to AliExpress, it's got that same type fan or seashell engraving on it for $4.68. So now let's bring up a calculator and do a similar type calculation to see what the profit would be on this particular item. So we see over here on Etsy it sells for $41.05. And then on the AliExpress side, it's $4.68. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to subtract our cost, which would be $4.68. And that's a profit of $36 if you sell one of them. If you sell 10 of them, what's the profit? $360. And if you sell 100 of them, what's the profit? $3,600. Now, could you sell 100 of these? I don't know. Let's take a look. Let's see what Etsy says. So for this item, they have 5 stars and there's over 7,000 reviews as well. So this is a very popular item. That's huge. I've got one more item to show you on Etsy. It's this 3D glass locket necklace. It sells for $28.80. It's got a 5-star rating and the number of reviews is 2,766. So just under 3,000 reviews. So if we look at that, we could say this could easily have sold maybe 20,000, 15,000 of these have sold over on Etsy, just as a rough estimate. Now, could we get these over on AliExpress? Well, let's take a look. Here's what I found out. So now I've got both websites open side by side, Etsy as well as AliExpress, and we could see the same product, right? It's $2.29 over on AliExpress. And it has the different colors as well as some of them are available with little rhinestones in here. Okay, so we can get the silver with diamonds. Here's the gold with the stones. Here's just the rose gold. And so now let's do a calculation. All right, so on Etsy it's $28.80. And if we subtract the cost what it is on AliExpress. So we'll do a minus $1.99. We get a profit of $26.81. So would you spend $2 to make $26 in profit? I would. And so if you sold one of these, that's $26 in profit. If you sold 10 of them, $260 in profit. And if you sold 100 of them, $2,600 in profit. That's huge. So the whole point here is, just because you think you see something that is expensive, you have to realize somebody's selling these and they're placing ads. And if they're placing ads, which costs money, that tells you that they're making a profit. So it's probably worth investigating. So, we did a little bit of research, and it all came from an email, right? So Etsy sent me an email. I was curious, so I looked it up, and $20, $30, $40 for these particular items. And then I went over to AliExpress, and I found the same thing for a lot less, right? $2, $3. And we're looking at huge profit margins here. So this is something that anyone can do. And as we saw on the AliExpress side, they give you free shipping. So you buy the product for $2 or $3, they ship it to you for free, and then you turn around and resell it on Etsy at $20, $30, $40. That's huge. Anybody could do this. There's nothing magic to it. All it takes is taking action. So I hope you like this video. This is something that I think is a great idea for people just getting started out that don't have a lot of money, but we know that there's a market for it. We know that I've showed you where to get the products themselves for cheap and have it sent to you for free that you could turn around and resell on Etsy. That's awesome. Awesome opportunity. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, leave a comment below. Let me know that you liked it. And if you want to see more videos like this, I'd be happy to make them. Just let me know what you want to see, and I'll do more of the same. Thanks for watching. Hi, quick announcement. We're super excited about this new ebook titled 20 Ways to Make an Online Income. If you're stuck thinking about different ways that you can work from home, get this free ebook. It's real simple. All you do is visit TEACHucation.com/free ebook, and we'll send it right out to you. You can also click a link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button. And also, be sure to subscribe so you'll get access to all my videos. And then click on the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I release a new video with more tips, tricks, hints, and secrets. If you have a dream of working from home, make a plan, take action on that plan, and start living your dream. Hey, so I got a quick legal disclaimer here. The content that I'm sharing with you should not be construed as financial or legal advice. What I'm giving you is strictly for educational purposes only. So if you need to, please consult with a qualified professional regarding your specific situation. Now that I've got that out of the way, let's get down to the real content.